Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by cutting power to the T-Mobile Wi-Fi box so the internal state clears. This often resolves minor hangs. Once unplugged, count to 10 to let capacitors discharge and memory reset. Make sure you've noted the router model and any custom admin settings, because a full reset restores defaults. If you use a SIM, keep it handy. Power cycling first is faster and fixes most issues without wiping configuration. So try this before moving to factory reset steps. Now perform the factory reset to restore defaults when power cycling fails. Locate the recessed reset hole on the back. A straightened paperclip or SIM tool works well. Press and hold firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LEDs flash or change pattern, which signals the command was accepted. Release and allow the box to reboot. Make sure to wait a full 5 minutes so it reinitializes and pulls carrier settings. This clears software errors and returns network settings to safe defaults. Once the router finishes rebooting, you log in using the default admin credentials printed on the device label to reconfigure Wi-Fi name and password. You should reapply any custom DNS, port forwards, or parental controls you need. If the box still won't connect, make sure the SIM is seated correctly and try a different power outlet. Intermittent power can block network registration. If those steps fail, contact support with model and LED behavior. This helps them diagnose hardware versus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.